me show you how I make this extra moist banana coconut bread. My family loves it more than regular banana bread, and honestly, so do I. It's super moist, full of flavor, and the coconut gives it a little something different. To make this moist banana coconut bread, start by adding 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour to a large bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Give it a good stir with a whisk or fork to make sure everything's evenly mixed. In a separate bowl, crack in 2 large eggs. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of banana flavoring. Use a whisk or a fork to mix everything together really well. You want the eggs fully broken up and the mixture to look smooth and a little frothy. Next, add 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter to the egg mixture. Give it another good mix until the butter is fully combined. It might look a little lumpy at first, but keep whisking until it smooths out. The butter adds richness and helps make the bread extra moist. Next, add in 1/2 cup of regular white sugar, then 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Make sure the brown sugar is packed into the cup so you're getting the right amount. It gives the bread a deeper flavor that works really well with the banana. Mix it all together until it looks smooth and the sugars are fully blended in, as you can see in the video here. Next, pour in 1/2 cup of canned coconut milk. Use the thick, full-fat kind with the cream on top, not the kind you'd pour into coffee. Next, add 1/3 cup of plain yogurt and 1/2 cup of unsweetened coconut. You can use either desiccated coconut, which is finely grated and dry, or shredded coconut, which comes in longer, softer strands. Both work well in this recipe. Next, mash 2 ripe bananas and add them to the batter. The bananas should be soft with plenty of brown spots, which means they're sweet and full of flavor. Mix them in until they're spread evenly through the batter. Next, add the all-purpose flour we prepared earlier. It's best to add it in a bit at a time rather than all at once, so it mixes in more evenly. Use a spoon or spatula to fold the flour into the wet ingredients, scraping around the edges and through the middle of the bowl. Keep going until you don't see any more dry spots of flour. The batter should look smooth and consistent, but don't mix it for too long or the banana bread can turn out dense. Next, take a loaf pan lined with parchment paper. Make sure the parchment paper hangs over the edges so it's easy to lift the banana bread out later. Scoop all the banana bread batter into the pan. Use a spatula to spread it out evenly, pressing it gently into the corners and smoothing the top so it bakes evenly. Bake the banana coconut bread in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 1 hour and 10 minutes. The bread is ready when your kitchen smells absolutely amazing. The top is a rich, dark brown, and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean or with a few moist crumbs. This banana coconut bread is super moist with a soft, tender crumb. You taste the sweet banana first, then the coconut adds a warm flavor and a little texture. It's rich without being heavy, and it's the kind of cake that disappears faster than you expect. If you like this banana coconut bread, you should check out this one too. My friend Nadie shared her recipe for this banana bread with oats, and it's honestly just as good. It is super easy to make and also really moist, and made with just a few simple ingredients. I tried it once, and now it's a regular in my kitchen. Check it out now!